quite a mission to climb. But what's up, guys? We are back at the top of the hill, top of the moment, hiking, going up a hill. Julian got his granny truck, off-road RC 2.10567, and we are up. We're going in there, so you can rent this, but you can come and have a barbecue. But now they don't allow it because of the fire. That's the plot of today, and also maybe to climb till there. But everything is climbing, so you can't say I'm planning to climb because you're already climbing, and we are still climbing. What do you think? What do you think?
It's very beautiful.
Beautiful?
Yeah. See, there is still snow on the mountain.
You see, I usually take you places. How do you like my country?
Oh yeah, it's very beautiful. I'm so amazed and surprised.
It's not like Kenya where you
This
grew up.
landscape, never seen it before.
When you grew up in Kenya, did you see this type of views?
Never.
Never, right?
Never.
In Kilimani.
Every tree is still there.
In Kilimani, can you see this? Oh, where did you grow up in? Where did you grow up in Kenya?
No, what did I used to say?
Kariobangi.
Kariobangi.
Just because you
I can't think of anything.
bangi, you got excited.
Kariobangi.
Me I not use no spliff. Me take in the good air like a good rest. Anyway, that's the plot. Take you around later on. For now, I need to chill. But normally this place, they used to put the cows in, but now they use it. They can rent it as a place. Actually, you can sleep. They have beds inside here. But
My parents rent it for the whole year.
yeah, you can rent it for the whole year, but you can also sleep in it, right? Technically,
Yeah, you can sleep.
for a night.
To heat, you have to make the fire in the oven.
To hit
There's
you.
no electricity.
There's solar. And that's the view. And I will show you some more once we set up. I'll show you the inside. We'll do a inside tour. Check out where to sleep. But it's not here. The house itself is in underneath this. You have some mountain water. So I'll give you a bit of a tour around the place before we see the inside. This is the back section of it, and actually the top part was the one I was showing you before, but here is where the beds are, so you gotta open this back part. Then once you open it, but it's locked from the inside. And then you have the kitchen area, and then the fire for the winter, but this is not enough. But you don't use it that often, that's why it's like that. And basically that's it. So you rent it for 1 year, and then once you rent it, you can be able to come and maybe sleep on the weekend. It's a plan for also if you have kids, you can bring the kids here, they can play around, or go for a hike, come back, invite friends to come up with you. So it's a very typical Swiss thing for someone to rent cabin up in the Alps for just whatever you want to use it for. Very nice if you're allowed to barbecue. Like now, because of the forest fires and the heat, they don't allow it, but when the weather is good, you can come and put everything. We have chairs, beds, whatever we have, we come and we put it out here. We play games there. We enjoy the views. Also, there was once we watched like the fireworks, so plenty of things to do. Now I'll show you inside. Well, they're still open in. So basically that's it. As you can see, they still have like the ropes and the old things that we're using for the cows, but also some of the things that they added up. So this overseer is shocked that we're here. Some pots and pans. Yeah.
Seht ihr genau, dass Rappis gemacht hat? This one's very
Ah, and then the fix. I also fixed it. Kitchen. I think it's easier to show it from this side. Oh, it's quite a decent space. Kitchen. It looks like what you see in the storybooks. You have some coffee, some spices, and then, but since it doesn't have electricity, oh, this is closed. Since it doesn't have electricity, it just has a small bulb from Wi-Fi. Pardon?
Please don't open there.
I never.
Plug into a thing.
Yeah. I left it, and then old family photos. And then this other side, there are some utensils, radio. Quite decent space. They had to fix the floor. Floor had a problem. Then you come here, you have the bed, the benches for putting outside. If you're sleeping, you can come sleep over here. Fireplace for the winter. And we're back to the other side where I was from the beginning. So, like that. Come in. Fire during winter. And then the final place, the lounge. Okay. Right. With some flint. Old record, like made out of clay. Old records, and they have an old record player. And then this is such a picturesque place, right? This area, look at that from here. Ooh, that should be my thumbnail.
Die sind sich wahrscheinlich nicht gewöhnt, so wenig Regen. Oder?
Wir haben grilliert und dann auch noch.
Yeah, boy. So the plan is we're trying to make what is it called?
Zipline.
A zip line. We're trying to. You should show them the zip line. So Julian is on the other side. We got some rope, and the goal is to pull everything to a point that it comes. First, we have to make a knot. I learned this when I was to be a sailor person, and I was to sail. And then once we make a knot, we should make two knots, one for the other rope and one for this together, so that when we start pulling, we can be able to tighten the rope, so the person who's coming down can have some tension. So, Julian, stop pushing it down. Oh, the knot here is a bit tricky. Have you ever made this before?
Zipline, I don't think so. Other things with this rope I did.
But last time you used to do some stuff with the rope, right?
Yeah, just climb up.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So I think we have enough rope. The next thing we're going to do is...
It's falling down.
Yes. What is falling down? Yeah. That's part of the plan. That's part of the plan, James. Have some faith in me. Okay, cool. Now, this has to go. Okay, now we need your strength. Julian, come, you have to pull. Extra zoom. Look, we can find her.
The iPhones. Because on mine I have to always put it on my cell phone. 4K. And some more FPS.
It's not gonna end well with Julie. Okay, wait. Well, that was a major fail. The rope is too elastic to create a like sling. And you know what we would have needed is that thing for to create tension. Maybe. So technically that's the top of the barn, and we have all the tools. Normally they would have the cows or the hay at the top, and then at the bottom they would have the cows. Such a lovely day. We had an awesome time here. We enjoyed doing a lot of things. We tried our sling thing, failed. Next time we get one of those tension Like, you know the tension ones?
No.
They use them for carrying big hauls. On Asheville, he has the one for, they put it on a rope, on the other side you pull it and pull it and pull it and pull it.
I
Like
don't
this.
know.
Anyway, so guys, that was it. We had some fun. But you know what goes up must come down. So we have to go down. And sideways. So we have to put everything back in
In a car.
and then go all the way down.
Definitely not hiking.
That's the owner of the farm down there. And he rents it out, the cabin, to people. And he has cow. So the cows take a walk and go around all the way. Well, you gotta have your hiking boots or hiking shoes, your bag. That's a very traditional Swiss thing to do. You can see the shadow of the bag. Lost a bit of part of my watch. Such a bummer. Love this watch. It's Aviator, not the betting site, but sports watch made in Switzerland. Cheap watch, but does its work. So maybe next time I go for another Garmin, because I can use it to run. Well, now we're heading back down. Take us about 10 minutes and then 30 minutes back to the sun. Hey Julian, how was it? Oh, getting stronger, eh? What are you trying to do?
Carry it.
It's a soundtrack of my life. And you see up there is Jungfrau.
Jungfrau.
Yeah, it's one of those mountains with the snow. Jungfrau. And behind there, on the other side, you can see Pilatus. Mount Pilatus. And basically, the mountains play tricks on you. Tends to feel very close, but in reality, this thing is quite far. You can see how far the houses are. So Nia, tell us about the place.
I cannot say anything.
Why? Because you just said chicken banana.
Chicken banana, chicken banana.
And how's your foot? You forgot about it.